Hello everyone, in this video we will be see all the feature of this beautiful website. This website is built with Monstack, Step, Cloudinary and Redux. This is the hero section and this is the menu section. If I click on roles, it is showing me only roles food, and if you double click it, it is showing me all the food item. Here I have the search bar, it is fully working. If I search for salad, it is showing me all salad related food. This is the footer section, and also this website is fully responsive. If I decrease this min size, it is also completely responsive. If I select Pixel 7, it is completely responsive in all devices, and also any iPad Pro, it is also responsive. Now if I log in, it is showing me this loading state, and now I am logged in. To order any food, I have to click this plus button and food item is added, and after 1 second this button is reset. If I open the cart page, it is showing me all the information about the item. This is the name, price, quality, total and also review item. If we add another food, and go to cart page, if I remove the first one, it is removed the first one, and if I click on proceed to checkout button, it is redirect me delivery information page, and here we have to fill the form to proceed to payment. And if I click on proceed to payment, it is redirect us to step checkout page. Here we can see all the cart related information, and to make the payment we have to fill this information and select the cart. This cart number is dummy cart, and if we click the pay button, it is redirect on order page. It's redirect us order page, and this is all the order. This is all the order related information, and if I click here, we redirect to dashboard, and here in this site we have the admin panel where we can add any new food. If I click on upload, if I click on add button, now successfully food is added. Now we can see the sample, although here I put the laptop photo. Now we can remove it from the admin panel. This is the last food item we added, and we can also update the image. Now we can see the updated photo of this photo. Let me refresh it. And here item photo is updated. We can also manage the order. If the last order out for delivery to delivered, and we can see the status here from orders, it is delivered.